So please, now it's time to show the car.
We can speak about 3 different features that we have in the car for the first time. First of all, we have an hybrid system. Second, we have an active aerodynamics that let us to have the right balance between drag and vertical load according to the driving condition. Third, we have some, again, some feature that let us to reduce the weight. First of all, the architecture of the car, the position of the driver is fixed with the car without any seats, let me say. We use the same components, the same material, the same carbon fiber that we are using on the Formula One. The cost of the tub is very, very high because the numbers of hours that you need in order to dispose all fibers in the right direction in order to have the same function but a very low weight is a very high amount of hours. Believe me, we didn't test until now the top speed of the car. If I see the calculation that we have, the balance between the power of the 2 engines and the rolling resistance, aerodynamics and so on, the balance is roughly more than 360 km/h.